Yes, students. So now in today's class, we are going to start with chapter number 4 of your book Snapshot. The name of the chapter is Albert Einstein at School and the author is Patrick Pringle. Okay. So now this Albert Einstein, 1879 to 1955, is regarded as what? As the greatest physicist since Newton. In the following extract from the Young Einstein, the well-known biographer Patrick Pringle describes the circumstances which lead to Albert Einstein's expulsion from a German school. Now, what it is about? Now, ये जो है ना पैट्रिक प्रिंगल हमें बता रहे हैं the circumstances. He is going to tell us about the situations which led to Albert Einstein's expulsion from the German school. Now Albert was studying in German school, but basically he does not want to be a part of the school. So इनका exclusion कैसे होता है? How is he expelled from the school? That basically is the story. And in this story somewhere ऐसी चीजें आती जाएंगी that you are really going to find very interesting. And कुछ इसके अंदर ऐसे incidents आएंगे that you are going to find that they are very much similar to you. ये तो आप जैसे लगेंगे आपको, you are going to find it very similar to yourself. ऐसी बहुत सी चीजें आएंगी. You also wish to do that things. So see, now this story, it's a biographical piece which discusses the childhood of Albert Einstein. Who was Albert Einstein? A famous physicist. Physicist वो होते हैं like एक biological inventors होते हैं, ठीक है, एक physicist होते हैं. So he is what? He is a physicist. Physicist को समझते हो, जो physics related experiments करते हैं. Those people are known as the physicists. So he was a very famous one. This chapter starts with Einstein's disagreement. ये Einstein के disagreement से related है. On rote, learning with history teacher. सबसे important उसे issues थे किससे? History teacher से. Now, Einstein wanted to get away from the system of education followed in Munich. Now, Einstein चाहते थे that he just want to get away with the system of this education जो यहाँ म्यूनिक में follow किया जाता था. So he decided that he is going to leave this place, but it was not an easy task. So for that उसे बहुत कुछ करना पड़ा. So अपनी इच्छा से स्कूल से एक्सपेल हो जाना is very difficult. ठीक है, तो आप ऐसा क्या करोगे that school is going to be so much forced कि वो ultimately आपको वहां से निकाल दें? ऐसा आप क्या करोगे? So he just decided that he is going to get a doctor's certificate and doctor is going to declare in that Einstein is having a nervous disorder, उसे कुछ problem है, he is having a nervous breakdown and he needs rest. And at least for how many months? At least for 6 months. Only his maths teacher admired Einstein for his brilliance. Only his maths teacher admired him. सिर्फ उनके मैथ्स टीचर ने उन्हें एडमायर किया उनके ब्रिलियंस के लिए. बट बिफोर आइंस्टाइन could get an appointment with the head teacher to present the certificate, he was asked by the head teacher to leave the school. And however, Einstein ने मैनेज भी कर लिया, वो एक सर्टिफिकेट अरेंज करके ले आए. बट बिफोर कि वो उसको प्रेजेंट करते, it was a misfortune that he was going to hand over the certificate to the teacher, but the head teacher gave him the certificate to leave the school due to his poor conduct in the school. So he felt, but still he was not shocked. हमें शॉक हो रहा है कि देखो वो खुद छोड़ता तो छोड़ता, बट जब उसे एक्सपेल किया होगा तो he must have felt bad ना कि मुझे स्कूल से निकाल दिया गया. बट यहाँ पे क्या हुआ? Just the opposite. Instead, he felt happy on leaving the school. वो स्कूल को छोड़ के बहुत हैप्पी फील कर रहा था. Rather, he was feeling happy. वो खुश था. ठीक है. So the how the यहाँ पे क्या हुआ? So student, he was very much, we can say, irritated with this school. So he wanted to leave the school anyhow. उसे लग रहा था स्कूल छोड़ना है. But going and telling कि मेरे को स्कूल छोड़ना है, is it easy? आप अपने पेरेंट्स को जाके बोलो मम्मी पापा मुझे स्कूल नहीं जाना, आई एम गोइंग टू लीव द स्कूल. इज इट सो इजी? वो इतना इजीली आपको बोल देंगे ओके डू नॉट गो, कल से मत जाना? नो, दिस इज नॉट गोइंग टू हैपन. एंड रादर अगर आप बाहर रह के पढ़ रहे हो, इट्स अगेन अ डिफिकल्ट थिंग इफ यू टेल your principal or your teacher that you are going to leave the school, आपको अब और यहाँ पे नहीं पढ़ना. This is again a difficult thing. So you have to manage the things. आपको किसी तरीके से चीजों को मैनेज करना पड़ता है so that कि आप उस स्कूल को लीव कर पाओ. So he discussing with his friend, one of his friends, they decided that क्यों अगर वो एक डॉक्टर का सर्टिफिकेट ला दे, and in that if the doctor says that yes, Einstein is not well, he is having a nervous breakdown, and for his health and to save his life, it's important that he should be away from this place for few time. उन्हें रेस्ट लेना है. And for how much? At least for 6 months. So Einstein was more than happy, and he however managed to make that certificate. उसने वो arrange कर लिया. Now, but the thing is, the climax comes when he went to give that certificate to the principal. But on the contrary, what happens? Before he would have given, he received a letter from the school administration department, that is from the principal itself, that he should leave the school immediately and they can't keep him in the school because of his bad conduct. But ऐसा सुनने के बाद में a person might have been shocked, परेशान हो जाना चाहिए था. बट यार यहाँ पे कुछ उल्टा ही हुआ. आइंस्टाइन वाज मोर देन हैप्पी. आइंस्टाइन बहुत खुश. he says, oh wow, great, superb, चलो स्कूल छोड़ना है, छोड़ देते, यही तो अपन चाहते थे. It's a very great experience, and he left the school. Okay, so who are the main characters here? पहले आप characters देख लेते हैं थोड़े थोड़े. So during his school days at Munich, he was not interested in rote learning method of school. And who is this he? He is the main character of the story, that is Albert Einstein. So when we are going to study about the characters, the main character, that is the protagonist of the story. Protagonist is the one जिसके आसपास पूरी story घूमती रहती है. So here the protagonist of the story is who? Albert Einstein. So during his school days at Munich, he was not at all interested in rote learning methods of school education and expressed his frank opinion. Nobody except his maths teacher recognized his genius, and in the end, he was expelled by the school authorities. किसी ने भी उनके except the maths teacher, किसी ने भी आइंस्टाइन के genius को recognize नहीं किया. Rather, Einstein was very intelligent. Einstein बहुत intelligent थे, but nobody, किसी ने भी आइंस्टाइन की intelligence को notice नहीं किया. So for this reason, what happens? Einstein ultimately decided that he's going to leave the school, but before he left the school, he was given orders to leave the school. So finally, he was expelled by the school authorities. Second character that we study about is Mr. Brown. Now, Mr. Brown was who? He was Einstein's history teacher who believes in rote learning system of education. जो हमेशा ये rote learning method पे believe करते थे. Now, Yuri was Einstein's good friend and a very helpful person. He was the one who helped him manage get the certificate, medical certificate. Now, next is Elisa. Now, she was Einstein's cousin who advised him that he will eventually succeed if he continues his school. He discusses the problem with Elisa, his cousin, and he says that Elisa, I really don't want to continue with the school. I find these schools useless. But Elisa tells her that yes, you find reading book ना, तुम्हें कौन सी book पढ़नी अच्छी लगती है? The thing that you are interested in. I know it's difficult. जिसमें हम interested नहीं होते उससे पढ़ना is difficult for us. But that is not the point. The point is you cannot get through without learning. Without school तुम कुछ नहीं कर पाओगे. So it is important, and जैसे जैसे तुम पढ़ते जाओगे ना, slowly and gradually the things will get interesting for you and you are going to have success. So eventually you will succeed. तुम eventually कब successful होगे? जब तुम अपनी schooling पूरी करोगे, because without schooling you are going to go nowhere. So once eventually succeed if you continue the school. So this was an advice given by who? By Albert's cousin Elisa. उनका भी थोड़ा सा रोल आएगा इसके अंदर. So basically she is also the character over here. Now comes Dr. Ernest Well. He was a newly qualified doctor who understands Einstein's problem and helps him by giving the medical certificate which he requires. Einstein को medical certificate किसने दिया जो उसे चाहिए था? It was given to him by Dr. Ernest Well. Now comes Mr. Koch. He was Einstein's maths teacher. Mr. Koch was who? Mr. Koch was Einstein's maths teacher. He understood his genius. उन्हें पता था that Einstein is a genius sort of person and इसके पास में बहुत दिमाग है, and gave him reference he wanted. So once you want to leave the school ना, आपको कुछ चाहिए होता है तो you want to have a reference from someone so that कि आप next कहीं भी जाते हो तो आपकी earlier organization का reference आपके काम आता है. So the thing is and he gave him the reference he wanted. So maths teacher was the one who gave him the reference जो उन्हें चाहिए था, otherwise उनके अलावा तो उन्हें कोई reference भी नहीं देता. Now head teacher. Now next comes the head teacher. He is an administrator who simply takes all the disciplinary action required by requesting Einstein to leave the school. Now ये जो head teacher थे of the school, ये administrator होते हैं वहाँ पे, and he is the one who simply takes the disciplinary action. जिन्हें वो disciplinary action लेना होता है required by requesting Einstein to leave the school. And this was done that what he did, he requested Einstein that you should leave the school immediately और तुम स्कूल को छोड़ दो, because taking a disciplinary action, I am not satisfied with your conduct, so I have to take the decision that you should leave my school. So ultimately he expelled him. Okay, so how many characters were there? There were 7 characters. First is the Albert Einstein. He is the main character of the story. Second is Mr. Brown. Third is Yuri. Fourth is Elisa. Fifth is Dr. Ernest Well. Fifth is Mr. Koch. And the next one is head teacher, who ultimately gave him the expelling letter. जिन्होंने वो letter उसको देके बोला था that yes, you should go. Now we will move through the chapter highlights of this. Okay. So see, the chapter opens in history class. Now the chapter is opening where? In the history class, where Mr. Brown is asking Einstein a question related to dates. वहाँ पे उनके teacher उनको date से related एक question पूछ रहे हैं. Einstein gives a very frank reply that he does not remember the answer. He is very frankly is just saying कि मुझे नहीं पता, मेरे को कोई आंसर याद नहीं है. The conversation between Einstein and the history teacher, Mr. Brown, it turns unpleasant. When? ये बहुत ही unpleasant हो जाती है. When the teacher talks in a sarcastic manner about Einstein's theory of education, the teacher calls him a disgrace and punishes him. Now यहाँ पे conversation हो जाता है between Einstein and Mr. Brown और बहुत ही unpleasant हो जाता है ये. And teacher very, we can say कि बहुत ही sarcastic way में वो क्या कहते हैं कि yes, now this is the new theory of Einstein, Einstein's theory of education. Great, तो ऐसा कह के वो उसका मजाक उड़ा देते हैं. The teacher calls him a disgrace and he punishes him too. Now Einstein feels very miserable. बहुत बुरा लगता है due to many factors. The school, the environment, the place where he lived, and many more things. He finds it very bad. Now further he says what? The atmosphere, he says, where he lives is also depressing. वो atmosphere जहाँ वो रह रहे हैं is going to be very depressing. वो बहुत depressing atmosphere है. ठीक है? Now he hates the atmosphere of slum violence, where the beating of children by their mother and beating of wife by a drunk husband is a regular feature. Now what happens? Einstein जहाँ पे रहते हैं, that is, we can say, बहुत ही बेस सा area है, kind of a slum it is, and वहाँ पे बहुत ही depressed होके रहता है, because उसे ना slum का atmosphere नहीं पसंद. Basically ना slums में 2 चीजें होती हैं. What are the 2 things जो slums में होती हैं? That is, one, by the mother, it's beaten the children. मदर क्या है, बच्चों को बहुत मारती है. बच्चों का रोना चिल्लाना है, मार खाना is highly irritable. And the second one is that husband comes drunk and he beats the wife. So this is another very bad feature कि husband पी के आ रहा है and wife को मार रहा है. This is really bad. So the second thing, this one is again very bad. ये भी बहुत गलत है. Now, तो ये जो atmosphere, in this atmosphere Einstein was staying and Einstein felt very bad. Now, Einstein discusses further about all this with his friend Yuri, who lives in a shared room. अब उसका एक friend था Yuri, who lives in a shared room, and he says कि this kind of problem I am facing, Yuri, and I want to leave this school and I want to leave this place and go back. मैं ऐसा करना चाहता हूँ. Now Yuri says that his room was no better than Einstein's, as students become violent over smaller matters. Now he says कि नहीं यार, मैं जा रहता हूँ, तुम क्यों इसको अपने इस रूम से अपसेट हो? Do you know where I live? The place where I stay is somewhat इससे भी ज़्यादा बुरी है. वो लड़के लड़ाइयाँ कर लेते हैं, and many things have been conducted over there which are very bad impression things, we can say. Now Einstein discusses about his problem and he says at school. Now he says कि यार मेरी प्रॉब्लम सिर्फ यहाँ तक ही नहीं है. I too face the problem at school itself. मुझे स्कूल में भी प्रॉब्लम्स होती हैं. So now he says that then what should I do? ये बताओ मुझे. Now he also discusses this with his cousin Elisa, who occasionally comes and visits him. Now Elisa thinks and he says that there is no reason that he cannot pass remembering facts even though he does not understand them. Now Elisa says कि कोई बड़ी बात नहीं है कि तुम्हें क्या लगता है कि फैक्ट्स लर्न करना इज सो डिफिकल्ट. फैक्ट्स लर्न करना इतना डिफिकल्ट नहीं होता है, तो तुम उस चीज के बारे में सोचो मत. कंटिन्यू विद योर स्कूल, बिकॉज अगर तुम स्कूल नहीं कंटिन्यू करोगे तो यू आर गोइंग टू गो नोवेयर, यू आर नॉट गोइंग टू गेट सक्सेस एनीवेयर. नाउ Einstein is very greatly interested in books on science and Elisa points out to him and he says that तुम पढ़ते हो ना, you read these books without any help and but these books, reading these books is not going to help you pass the examinations. Now this thing, अब उसको क्या हर बार एक नए ना थॉट्स मिलते रहते थे. Now जैसे ही उन्हें ये थॉट मिला, now again he discusses it with Yuri about getting a medical certificate. Now he says that what about Yuri, I should get a medical certificate from a doctor and that doctor should say that I should stay away from my school. Now Yuri says very good. Now they are in search of a new doctor. So Yuri has a friend of him who is a newly became doctor, we can say. वो अभी बस अभी नए वो डॉक्टर बने ही हैं. So Yuri sends him to the newly qualified doctor. Now Yuri says that okay, I have a friend with me and he's a qualified doctor. Now do one thing, तुम उन डॉक्टर के पास में चले जाओ. Now he is going to help you with everything you want. So that newly qualified doctor is who? हमने जब characters पढ़े थे, we got to know about a doctor whose name was Ernest Whale. So he is an understanding person and he understands Albert's condition and he gave him a certificate. और उन्होंने उसको certificate दे भी दिया that Einstein is close to nervous breakdown and he should keep away from school for at least 6 months. Now, Yuri suggested to Einstein to meet his maths teacher first, and he says that go, first of all, before giving this letter, go meet your maths teacher, take a reference from him when you meet the head teacher with the medical certificate. उससे पहले अपने maths teacher को मिलके उनसे जो तुम्हें reference लेना है, take that, because ultimately वही काम आएगा. And once you give your leaving certificate over there and you leave the school, उसके बाद में तुम आके इनसे reference मांगो, nobody is going to give you any reference. So Einstein's maths teacher, what name he was? Mr. Koch. He appreciates his brilliance. He gives a glowing reference to Einstein, which can get him admission in the college or institute for high education in maths. Now Einstein के जो maths teacher थे, Mr. Koch, he appreciates his brilliance and he gave him a glowing reference to Einstein. And Einstein is the one which can get him an admission. Now he says that this reference certificate is the one thing that is going to get me admission in the college or institute for my higher education in maths. So that is why he just asked for a reference certificate from his maths teacher, Mr. Koch. Now Einstein is called by the head teacher who informs him that he is being expelled from the school. Now अब Einstein को किसने कॉल किया? Head teacher. और वो head teacher उन्हें inform करते हैं that he is being expelled from the school. And जैसे ही वो उनको देने के लिए जाते हैं लेटर, उन्हें इन्फॉर्म कर दिया जाता है that no need to give me the letter yourself, take, I have something for you. So before he gives, beforehand he receives a expelling letter. Now that expelling letter is from school and the head teacher tells him of his misbehavior in the class. And now he does not even ask the reason that why he is being expelled, but he itself is given a reasoning that because of your poor conduct in the school, because of your misbehavior in the school, you are being expelled from the school. And this is why his expulsion takes place over there. Now, Einstein very happily leaves the school. Einstein is not at all distressed that he is being sent out of the school. उसे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ रहा. He is rather happy and he very happily leaves the school with head held high. वो होता है ना सर ऊंचा करके चलना, उसे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ रहा. He is holding his head high and he leaves the school and he does not bid goodbye to any teacher or student of that school. And वो क्या करते हैं? He does not bid goodbye. एंड वो इतना खुश कि होता है ना, समटाइम्स यू लीव द स्कूल, नाउ व्हेन यू पास योर 12th क्लास यू आर गोइंग टू लीव द स्कूल, आप लोग स्कूल को छोड़ दोगे, एंड जब छोड़ के जिस दिन जाओगे एटलीस्ट यू आर गोइंग टू टर्न वन टाइम एंड लुक एट योर स्कूल, राइट? Or rather you are going to say goodbye to each and every teacher, every staff member of your school, and then you are going to take a beautiful look at your school and you are going to look further or look ahead and move further in your life. So but Einstein के साथ ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं हुआ. He was not at all attached to this school, this organization or any other person over here like his teachers or other teachers or other staff members. No, he was not at all concerned about anyone. So Einstein very happily leaves the school with his head held high and he does not bid goodbye to any teacher. And उन्होंने जाके किसी टीचर को goodbye नहीं बोला और students of that school. और teachers तो चलो ठीक है, आप school को hate कर रहे हो, teachers को hate कर रहे हो, but what about the students who are studying with you? What about the your friends, your classmates? उनका क्या? So but Einstein जो थे उन्होंने किसी के बारे में भी नहीं सोचा and he just immediately leaves the school and he only keeps looking ahead and he does not turn back a single time to look what's left behind. Now, before leaving for Milan, now he is going to leave for which place? Milan. He meets his best friend Yuri. वो एक बार अपने best friend Yuri से मिलते हैं, who wishes him good luck for the future. Now, Yuri was a person who helped him a lot. Yuri ने ही एक डॉक्टर का रेफरेंस ला के दिया था उनको. यूरी की वजह से ही वो उस डॉक्टर से मिले जिन्होंने उसको सर्टिफिकेट दिया. And Yuri was the one who suggested him that when you should go and seek for your, we can say कि आपको जो reference year का एक वो था, तो you can seek for a head for reference year. So that all these good advices were given by Yuri. So Yuri was kind of a best friend for him. So he went to meet Yuri before leaving for the town Milan. And what Yuri did over there, Yuri को पता था that इसे रोकने का, इसे समझाने का कोई मतलब नहीं है. He has made up his mind and उसे एक बार भेजना बहुत जरूरी भी है. So since he had made up his mind, so what Yuri did? Yuri, he wishes him good luck and best wishes for the future, and this way finally he leaves from that place. So Einstein was very happy to leave the school and he was very happy and he says that Milan is a wonderful place and I am going to enjoy my life to the fullest over there. So he was not at all ashamed, he was not at all upset, and that is why he did not even say goodbye to any teacher or student inside the school. The only and the only person he met was who? Only and the only person he met was one, and the person was Yuri, his best friend. Okay, so understood? Okay, so this is all. So I hope you have understood this basic finger points or highlights of the chapter. So in tomorrow's class, we will start the text. So till then, आप एक बार इसको और एक बार text beforehand आप एक बार text read करके रखो, so that आप इसको read कर लोगे ना. So underline the difficult words, mark the difficult lines. So when we are going to study about the text line by line, so you can keep on asking me frequently and continuously with line to line, whatever are your doubts, we can keep on clearing them. Okay, chalo. Okay, so we'll be meeting tomorrow in our next class. Chalo, take care. Okay, bye bye.